Apple has officially introduced iOS 27, bringing a fresh wave of features, improvements, and enhancements to the iPhone experience. Whether you're excited about new customization options, smarter AI features, improved performance, or enhanced privacy controls, iOS 27 aims to make your iPhone more powerful and intuitive than ever before. In this video, we'll take a look at what's new in iOS 27 and why it could be one of Apple's most exciting software updates yet. Every major iOS release brings new capabilities, and iOS 27 is no exception. Apple has focused on improving the overall user experience while making everyday tasks faster and more convenient. One of the biggest highlights of iOS 27 is its enhanced intelligence features. The operating system is designed to help users complete tasks more efficiently, whether it's organizing information, managing notifications, or interacting with apps in smarter ways. Customization also continues to evolve. Users can personalize their home screens, lock screens, and widgets with greater flexibility, allowing each iPhone to feel more unique and tailored to individual preferences. Performance improvements are another major focus of iOS 27. Apple has optimized the software to deliver smoother animations, faster app launches, and better battery efficiency. Even simple actions such as switching between apps or navigating menus feel more responsive. Privacy and security remain a top priority. iOS 27 introduces additional controls that help users better manage their personal information while keeping their data protected. Apple continues to emphasize transparency and user control over how apps access sensitive information. The update also includes improvements to core apps such as Messages, Photos, Safari, and Phone. These enhancements are designed to make communication easier, browsing faster, and media management more efficient. For users who enjoy staying on the cutting edge, iOS 27 represents another step forward in Apple's vision of creating a seamless ecosystem where hardware and software work together effortlessly. Overall, iOS 27 brings a combination of new features, improved performance, stronger security, and a more personalized user experience. Whether you're a casual iPhone user or a technology enthusiast, there's plenty to explore in this latest update. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future iPhone news, tips, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.